Hi, this is Matthew Paulson with MarketBeat.com. I wanted to take a moment to show you the premium version of our daily email newsletter, MarketBeat Daily Premium. Our premium newsletter is sent out 30 minutes before the market opens, and our second edition is sent out at 4 p.m. Eastern that contains a wrap-up of the day's ratings, earnings, dividends, insider trades, and headlines. Let's dive in. At the top of each newsletter, you'll receive a rundown of some of the top stories for each day. Below that, you'll see a list of stocks that are on your watch list. For each stock that you follow, you'll receive a full rundown of that company's ratings, dividends, earnings announcements, guidance updates, insider trades, options activity, and other important headlines. For example, you can see that I follow Adobe. They received several new ratings today. I also follow Burlington. They announced their earnings and updated their guidance, and they also received a new rating. And finally, I also follow United Natural Foods. They announced their earnings, updated their guidance, and received several new ratings as well. And of course, below that, you can see several other headlines about the company. To get some more information about a stock in your watch list, you can click the history link to navigate to MarketBeat.com, where you'll see a full history of ratings, earnings, dividends, insider trades, and social activity for any stock, as well as today's chart. Here for United Natural Foods. You can see the consensus rating information that we have, as well as the consensus price target, recent ratings information. You can view a full earnings history for the stock. You can view dividend information if the company offers a dividend. This one doesn't. You can view recent insider buying and selling activity. You can read a description of the company and view recent headlines. You can see what people are saying about the stock on StockTwits, and you can view today's chart for the stock as well. So here's the main section of MarketBeat Daily Premium that contains a full rundown of the day's upgrades, downgrades, new coverage, and price target changes. Right now you can see I have my newsletter set up in table format, so you can view the name of the brokerage, the action that they took, the company that they took it on, the old rating, the new rating, the old price target, the new price target, what percentage upside the analysts think is in the stock, the previous closing price, as well as a link to read more about the rating. You'll notice there is a star ranking next to each brokerage, which indicates the historical performance of their recommendations relative to other brokerages. You should pay most attention to the brokerages that have at least a 4-star rating, and you know that you can probably safely ignore the brokerages that receive a 2-star rating or less. As you can see, we cover a lot of different ratings. We report on anywhere from 250 to 500 ratings each day. So if you're looking for comprehensive coverage of analyst upgrades, downgrades, and new coverage, we're the ones that have it. Below the rating section, you'll see a rundown of the day's earnings announcements, dividend announcements, insider trades, and more. For example, here's an earnings announcement for Casey's General Store. As you can see, they beat the consensus EPS estimates by about 20 cents. You can view their revenue information, full year EPS estimates. You can actually read the full report if you'd like, and on some stocks you can actually listen to the conference calls. At the bottom of the newsletter, you'll see a link to export the day's data to Microsoft Excel. If you'd like to do your own analysis, just click on the data you'd like, and choose whether you want to export the data in Excel or CSV format. I also wanted to show you some of the other account options that you have with your newsletter. Here you can see my basic information. You can provide us a cell phone number and we can send you SMS or email alerts. You can specify which editions of the newsletter you want to receive. You can specify what types of information you want to receive in your newsletter. And you also have a variety of other options to change the look and feel of your newsletter. We firmly believe that your morning newsletter should have exactly the information that you want and none of the information that you don't. So here's my watch list. The cool thing about your watch list is that you can enable instant email or SMS alerts, so that whenever there's a rating change, an earnings announcement, dividend announcement, or an insider trade, or other important headline, we'll send you a quick email or SMS text message so that you can act quickly upon the information. To add a new stock, simply select the exchange you want to trade on, or if you don't know the exchange, just select Auto Select Exchange, and type in the ticker symbol of the stock that you want to add. We'll add Microsoft here, and click the Add Stock button, and now in our next edition of MarketBeat Daily Premium, we'll receive news updates from Microsoft and our other stocks. So that's MarketBeat Daily Premium. I think it's a great service. I read my edition every morning, and I hope you'll find value in it too. If you'd like to subscribe, simply click the link below and complete the registration form. Thank you for watching.